One of the most dangerous jobs anyone can do is being a construction worker. And what most people don't think about is the fact that thousands of construction workers are injured or even die at work sites every single year right here in New York City. And when these construction workers are injured, they are typically entitled to workers' compensation or Social Security disability, but those benefits are frequently just simply inadequate to compensate them for what they've lost. But what many workers don't know is that beyond workers' compensation, the New York labor law provides injured construction workers with rights and remedies that enable them to pursue causes of action against building owners and general contractors. This was the case with our client, Joe. Joe worked for a company that installed rolling steel gates on big industrial buildings. He got sent to a job site where he was going to be installing one of these door gates that was going to be about 2 stories high. The problem was that the general contractor and the owner of the building had told Joe's boss that there was a platform Joe could work on, but when Joe got there, the platform didn't have any railings. And when he was trying to lift the steel gate into the frame, the steel gate moved, he lost his balance, and he fell from that work platform. When he hit the ground, he sustained multiple fractures and he was left paralyzed. That's where my firm came in. We know the labor law in New York requires owners and general contractors to protect workers from gravity-related injuries. The general contractor and the building owner in Joe's case had violated that law because the work platform they gave Joe to work on that day had no railings. We fought to hold them liable for Joe's catastrophic injuries, and we were able to obtain a multi-million-dollar settlement for him. My name is Andrea Bonina, and I'm partners with my brother John here at the law firm of Bonina Bonina. We represent injured construction workers and make sure that they get all of the compensation they deserve when they've been hurt on the job. Construction workers injured in a scaffolding accident, a ladder accident, a trench accident, or other construction-related accidents have more rights than most of them know about. Injured workers can sue owners or general contractors if they're working at a multifamily home or a bigger building or work site, regardless of whether the worker is employed by another contractor at that site. We have obtained many multi-million-dollar awards on behalf of injured construction workers, and we're ready to fight to hold owners and general contractors responsible for the injuries they cause when they break the law. Unfortunately, in the case I just mentioned, our client Joe was not protected from the laws of gravity and the forces of gravity. We were able to prove that a railing would have prevented him from falling and sustaining the catastrophic injuries he sustained when he fell 2 stories off a work platform. By doing that, we were able to get Joe a multi-million-dollar settlement that gave him peace of mind and financial security for the rest of his life. Look, the insurance company is not on your side if you're an injured worker. They are going to have an army of expensive lawyers trying to limit your claim, and that's why you need hardworking and tough attorneys representing you. Plus, when you work with our firm, there are no out-of-pocket expenses. We work on contingent fee arrangements on every single case. Don't try and fight your case on your own. Schedule a time to meet with me and my firm today.